In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create fill in the blanks, make fillable lines, or add underline lines in Microsoft Word. Fast and easy. Let's get started. The first method is by using a tab leader underline. Open a new document, then go to the Home tab and click the small arrow in the paragraph section to open the Tabs dialog box. Now click Tabs. Under Tab Stop Position, type 5.5 inches or your desired width. Under Alignment, choose Right, and under Leader, select the Underline option. Click Set, then OK. Now type your text, press the Tab key, and Word will automatically create a smooth underline that aligns perfectly on the right side. To make multiple underline sections on one line, simply add more tab stops and repeat the process. Double-click the tabs icon to open it again. Under Tab Stop Position, type 3.3 inches, or your desired width, and repeat the process. Now you can add more to fill in the gaps on one line. The second method is by using a table. Type your text, go to Insert, then Table, and select a 1x1 table. Resize it to the length you want by dragging the small square in the bottom right corner. With the table selected, go to the Table Design tab, click the Borders arrow, and uncheck top, left, and right borders, leaving only the bottom border visible. Drag and drop it where you want. Now you have a clean, fillable line. You can click inside it and type information, like a name or signature. The third method is the quick shortcut line. Just press Shift and the minus key repeatedly until you get your desired length. That's it. 3 simple ways to create lines or fillable underlines in Word. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick, helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.